A good day, everyone, and welcome to the Weather Center. Yes, it is Wednesday, the middle of your work week. And we started off the early morning with cloudy weather over the northeastern parts of the country. We are forecasting isolated showers over Gauteng, Limpopo, Mpumalanga, as well as the northern parts of KwaZulu-Natal. It's going to be windy along the east coast, and that's between East London and Durban. And wind speeds will vary between 35 and 40 kilometers per hour. Now, for the western half of the country, we're expecting a hot and dry day, which will result in very uncomfortable conditions. Now, your rainfall map for today, we're expecting up to a 40% chance of rain over Gauteng, Limpopo, Mpumalanga, and northern parts of KwaZulu-Natal. It's going to remain fairly fine and dry for much of the country. Now, talking about fine and dry, we're expecting ethereal skies near the city of Mangaung, with temperatures peaking at 27 degrees and winds in the east-southeasterly direction. Cool weather is expected near Johannesburg with a high of 21, 23 for Jacaranda City. It's going to be warm between Durban and Richards Bay with highs peaking at 27 degrees, 29 for Dar, 32 for Springbok, and a hot temperature forecast of 38 degrees near Vredendal. In fact, the South African Weather Service has issued an advisory for heat wave expected wherever you see that shading of amber. So very hot conditions are going to persist until Sunday. Now, taking a look into your coastal forecast for today, we're expecting good beach weather all the way from Alexandra Bay to Langaban, with swell heights reaching up to 2 meters and waves 3 and 4 feet. Then for the southwest coast of the Republic, we're also expecting a good beach day for Cape Agulhas, Hermanus, Falls Bay, as well as Cape Atlantic, and high tide will come in just before 12 o'clock. Then for the south coast, we're expecting a beautiful day near Port Elizabeth with wind speeds of up to 15 kilometers per hour. It's going to be the same for Plettenberg Bay as well as Jeffreys Bay, with swells reaching up to 2 meters. Then lastly, for the east coast, we're expecting a moderate beach day from Durban to East London. That's because of those strong winds between 35 and 40 kilometers per hour. Swells will reach up to 2 meters and waves 3 and 4 feet. Well, that's all for now from the Weather Center. Have a good one.
Know more about your world.
eNCA.com